Today in this video we will learn about how to fix installation cannot proceed because the following files already exist in the target folder in WordPress. While installation of WordPress in cPanel root directory, if this type of error comes, it means that the WordPress is already installed in that folder. In order to resolve this problem, we need to remove the existing files and database, or we can say we need to uninstall it. The simplest solution is to tick mark here. Select the checkbox to overwrite all the files and continue. In this way, whatever installation you might have done earlier will be replaced and overwritten. In this way, your software, that is WordPress, is installed now successfully.